Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're very welcome to the inaugural Manufacturing and Supply Chain Awards presented by Irish Manufacturing Research and Premier Publishing and Events.
Really looking forward to tonight. The showcasing of the companies and what they've achieved is just phenomenal. We were delighted to be part of the judging process this year, and the one thing that struck us in this its first year was the high quality of manufacturing entrants that came and applied into the competition.
And I'm delighted to be here with you, celebrating the manufacturing and supply chain industry across the island of Ireland.
This evening is a nod or a tip of the hat in recognition of the very best of Irish manufacturing, the people who work and drive these businesses, and the positive impact they have had both within Ireland and internationally. On behalf of Irish Manufacturing Research, I'm delighted to announce the winner of the Grand Prix IMR Manufacturer of the Year is the Puy Synthesis.